JD 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got this device here. I don't know, my wife got it, and she wants me to fix it. So we put the wires together here and put some heat shrinks on the wires. So we twisted these together, and I'm going to put a little flux on there, just a little bit on each wire. Oops, that's a little bit too much. I hope you guys are doing good today and staying out of trouble. Okay, got this handy dandy soldering iron. There we go. Make sure you always turn you up for your soldering iron when you get done. So those are nice and soldered together. Let's pull the plug on that. Let that cool down. And I hope you can see this. This is, show you a close up. There's a close up of it. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take the, hopefully, fold this over and maybe put this shrink over it if we can without breaking it, and do the same for this one. Put it in there like that. I'll show you a picture of it. I know my big hands are in the way right now. Sorry about that. Okay. So it looks like that. Okay. Just fold the wires over. We gotta get the heat gun to melt the heat shrink. This thing gets very hot, so be very careful with your heat gun. You don't set it down on, paper or anything like that. Make sure you set it down in a dish. And after it's heated up, oops, see it's on. So I'm just gonna go like this. Get those. Nice and melted onto the wire. And shut that off and put that on the plate to cool with the soldering iron. This is the front of it. Okay, so I think I'm going to take these two screws off here and look inside. So let me see if I can, these are just hand tight. So let's see if we can see if there's a battery compartment in there. There's a washer here. Oops, there goes the screw. And take this one off here. Put that to the side. You could always put your parts in a little bowl or dish and see if this comes off. Looks like some kind of spinning thing. Okay, we did the wires, but where's the battery in this thing? The wires are still kind of hot. I don't know. There's nowhere to plug it in. I'm gonna have to take it apart a little bit more. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is the inside of it, and to take this part off, which is a spinner, I had to unscrew it actually to the right, not to the left, which is kind of strange. And these wires here, the red and the white coming out of this thing, looks like possibly that it was attached to a plug one time or some other power source. I don't know. I'd have to research this more and see if I can find this somewhere on the internet and see if there's actually a plug attached to this motor, because I don't see any places you can actually put batteries in this thing. And this is a actual fluorescent bulb that lights up, so it's supposed to light up, and then this part right here goes on and it spins, and it makes a interesting pattern on the front of it. Let's see, this nut goes on here like that. So, and like I said, it had it screws on a certain way. I'll get back to you guys. So I'm going to tighten this up. I'm going to the left. Never saw it's kind of backwards. Usually, I've never seen it when you go to the left to tighten something. Usually you go to the right. And see, this lights up, and then this spins. It's supposed to reflect on the Mother Mary like that. It's too bad. This is interesting. It's an interesting thing they have put together here. So that's my little what do you call it for today? Video of repairing stuff. Actually, second video for today. And I hope you enjoyed my fiddling here. These hold, the rubber things hold the screws on. Anybody has one of these out there? Let me know. Be interesting to know if you have one of these. I'm going to try to do a search on it myself. Goes on there like that. And these just go on there like that. Screw on. So please rate and subscribe my videos. I need help with my medication, and also my computer blew up, which is really bumming me out. And if you watch my videos and share them, I could probably get a new computer one of these days, hopefully. You don't want to tighten the glass up too much. You don't want to crack it. But that's the video for today. I think I already said that. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.